Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be doing a panoramic machine, which is the panorax, the mandible and the skull imaging. So we're gonna start with the general functional components. I'm gonna be explaining the components. So the first one is the hand grip. The patient holds there while the patient is standing or sitting, and then temple support. It holds the head, like it supports the head to be in that position that you want. And then that is the bite block and also the chin support. Sorry about that, having a child doing a voice over while the little one is over, it's a lot. So now you see most the machine is rotating, but now I was just changing it to the skull positioning. Just that, yeah. So that is the tube. The machine is gonna rotate around you when you are a patient. That is the sensor. Sensor meaning it's like an image receptor if you are a radiographer or a radiography student. So this machine is gonna rotate around you, but it will be better if I'm gonna ask one of my colleagues, to be a patient there. So this side is when you wanna do your imaging, like skull, your hand, and then we go back to this laser. You light it when it's like your centering point. It's so nice. The control panel. So these are the buttons that you use if you wanna move the machine. So now we're going. That is the ready indicator. Show you that okay, you are ready to expose. And then the emission, X-ray emission, it shows you that now you are exposing. And then the status indicator, it shows if you have an error. The laser beam, that's the one, right? So now for this one, you can adjust the head, like just the head, and then so the memo, it memorizes the current setting. Adjustment button, hardly use it, but yeah, it adjusts the machine to angle and whatsoever, go up and down. The whole body height, it adjusts the height of the machine. This is what I use most of the time. And then yeah, that's basically it. But it will be so nice, guys, if we show you with the patient like what is this actually. So most of the places that have this, it's big places like X-ray departments. The rurals hardly have this, so you have to do the mandible if you don't have this machine. So now sometimes it gives you an error if you don't put this on the right side. So this is the image acquisition. Number one is the information system where you get your details there, and number two is the display where the image is gonna show on that part. Number three, it shows you what you have chosen. Like there, it shows the skull, but normally when you do a panorax, it's gonna show you the mandible and the maxilla, right? And then number four, there it shows you when you're exposing it writes like exposure, and then when there's an error, it writes the error there. So number five, right, it's an on and off button for the emission of X-ray. Number six is the cooling time, where after an exposure, the machine writes the cooling time that it's gonna take. 7, I can't see my image. Can't see what's happening here. But then 8 is when the system is ready to expose. It's gonna be green. 9, let me zoom. 9 is an exit, and then 10, it's gonna be yellow when you expose. And then 11, it's program, patient, and parameters. program, you choose if you want a panorax for the mandible part and the maxilla, or you want the skull or whatever. And patient, it gives you the type of patient, the body habitat, as child, as small adult, and a big patient. And then parameters where at this point you can set out your exposures how you want it to be. You can leave it there as manual, automatic, or you can increase or decrease KVP or MAS, set it manually. It's your choice. And then also you're gonna see the type of chin and the type of teeth. You know, most we have different teeth, guys. So this part is the skull part. We hardly do it in the whatever types of exercise. And then there is the manual. There, at that point, I changed everything. So you see how it looks when it's panorax. Remember, panorax, it takes that shape of the mandible and the maxilla and just makes it flat so nicely. You will see everything. Remember, if you don't have a panorax machine, you can do a mandible PA and also the obliques from both sides for you to get an image. And remember the importance of having a panorax. It helps the dentist, to see all the incisors, to see all the types of teeth. And you can also do it on patients with trauma. You see a lot, guys. So thank you. Bye.